iPevo have sent us the Vocal, and this is a Bluetooth microphone and speakerphone which should make your conference calls easier. And this is because it's completely portable and it connects through Bluetooth, so there's no need to be constantly plugging in and out a cable. It is made of plastic, but it feels really well built. On the front there is a mute button which shows a red light to let you know that you are muted, a battery indicator level to let you know when you're running out of power, and you can expect to get around 40 hours of battery life from a full charge. And you get the front facing microphone at the top. On the back we get the rear microphone as well as the power button, the Bluetooth button to pair it with devices, and a USB-C port to charge it up. On one side of the head of the mic there is the option of toggling between omnidirectional and directional modes. The omnidirectional is ideal if you have to put the Vocal in the centre of a table and have people sitting around it, as this mode will pick up the audio in a 360-degree range. This is what it's going to sound like without the AI mic enabled. We do have the flexibility to enable and disable that as we please, and this is what omnidirectional mode is going to sound like with the AI mic enabled. Now this will allow us to rotate the microphone all the way around so we can sit wherever we want on a table, and we should get pretty consistent audio wherever we are sitting. The directional mode will bring this down to 120 degrees, and this is more for if one person wants to use it. When we tested the directional mode, the AI mic was already enabled and we could not disable this. Now the directional mode has a 120-degree range, which basically means that if we're sitting to the side of the microphone or behind it, it's not going to pick anything up. We are testing the microphone and we are going to turn. And we will carry on speaking as we come to the front.
We need to work out what we're going to feed the cats for lunch.
Yeah, we'll.
Because they have to have proper food.
Yeah, fine, the gate's also in a sec.
Have that complimentary one, haven't they? So we're going to go and find some cat food in a bit for them. I can see the little kitty cats. You look gorgeous.
There is a speaker on the bottom of the unit. When switching this on, there is a tone that plays every time you do turn it on. And there is a tone every time you turn it off.